Okay, continue. You said they can use bat, the feminine bat, right?
Yes, they use the hormone
the hormone in it to treat infertility in women.
So you know that there is a belief, and what you believe many times work for you. They use it to cure blindness. They use it to cure if you have like brain disorder. They use it to cure people that have brain disorder because they believe.
Is it medically proven?
Well, it is culturally proven.
Yes, okay.
Traditionally proven, and I believe it
okay.
because a lot is linked with the biology of the bat. Bats have the ability to remember. So how come they go and they still come back here? What gives them? They have very good memories. I know there are lots of research going on so lots of people in veterinary trying to put one or two together to establish some of these facts. But I believe it because I've been working with them for over 10 years.
Wow.
And I believe it. So there are lots of mysteries that are positive about bats. They are a good source of income. In some communities, because people kill and they sell.
Yes, I've heard someone said that they used to get a full bag of very expensive.
Yes.
I say bad, they say yes.
Yes. So and this fruit bat in Nigeria we have over 15 species of fruit bats in Nigeria, and some of them are sizable. They are like the size of a grass cutter. And that's very meaty and very palatable. I've not eaten it because I don't eat my specimen, but I've not eaten it. But people that eat it say it's a good delicacy. It's relished. In some parts of Nigeria, it's a relished delicacy. So it's a source of income. So you talk about food security. This is part of the things that could also solve food security.
Wow.
Then for the insectivorous bat that help farmers, these are silent roles that they play that is not very known, open to people. So you look at the effect of pesticide. The effect of pesticide has duration of when it can be so effective on your farm. So you think about what happens in the night. There are some insects that comes out in the night. They don't come out during the day. They are nocturnal. They are also harmful to our plants. But while we are sleeping, these wonderful creatures are doing what? Helping to control. So from my studies too, I have tried to look at the diets of insectivorous bats, look at what they eat, and from identifying some of these fecal fragments that we find in the fecal samples, the fragments from the insect, find out some of these fragments are actually harmful insects, harmful to the farmers. And so these are important.
Can I post this online?
Yes, you can.
Because the way I will put breaking news, bats can cure infertility. People will start. I'm telling you, I found that yes, let them research on it, because the way we treat it and the way people see it as demonic should stop. Because if not that you're saying it now, I can't believe that there is some environment that because of presence of bats, they don't experience mosquitoes. So there's nothing like malaria and a lot of.
You've heard about it? No, I'm just saying. Yes.
So this is
like in my place when we just moved into our site. We also didn't have, because the trees were intact, and when people started moving in, we started experiencing mosquitoes. But before people started coming in, we didn't have mosquitoes.
They were cutting.
They were cutting, but we had lots of insect bats coming around. They were not a problem to us anyway. So, but people have to build houses, and this is part of the impact of urbanization and development. So but we encourage that we don't do complete clearing. Still leave some vegetation around. It will also
it's
help
also
farmers.
Good for your health.
For your health, and it's also good for your crops too, at the end of the day. Because when you look at the high rate of insolation, there's a way it damages the soil structure. At the end of the day, your crops won't do well. It takes a pop water quickly when there is no cover. So these are the things that it's a very, very interrelated. We are all connected one way or the other. And these organisms,
I think we have to go.
Birds,
that's our waiting.
No, it's not yet time. We still have up to 10.
They do a lot
they will expect us
balancing
at 10. And so we do this. We have not talked to us.
I can talk and talk and talk and talk.
I really appreciate
Thank you.